I work for an audiovisual support company. We're currently contracting here in Houston, Texas for a Fortune 500 company, and we provide the AV support for their campus. One of the things that we actively do is proactive work and try to find ways to reduce the customer impacting incidents. One of the things that we discovered was that in the meeting rooms, HDMI cables were getting damaged quite often, and we had to go in and replace them, costing our client time and money to get that replaced. We suggested that we take a whole different approach and reroute those cables through a hole in the center of the table and add a short adapter with shrink wrap. And what that did was we went from replacing a cable that costed $50 to just replacing an adapter that would cost $10. So at the end of the day, we saved our client money and time.